We had a discussion especially around the stock assessment, which is also an important and it's a very important because we may not have investors to come around to invest in this country without information which the stock assessment needs to achieve. So this, at least it's clear because many a times people are misreported out there about counting fish using billions of money. But now at least we've got the inside information that there is need to have this information about the fish in this country so that it can attract investors and also for our own policy making. And it's also an international, in our international treaties, stock assessment is necessary.
The need to ensure institutions that work under us wakipata kazi wanafanya kwa haraka na kwa wepesi and in an accountable and transparent manner. The other is, remember we had a discussion in Parliament sometime about 2-3 months ago on the need to explain stock assessment further. So we came to KEMFRI particularly to be able to get a greater or deeper understanding on matters stock assessment. And I must report that we've had a wonderful meeting. We've agreed that we'll continue to work together, allow them their space to provide oversight and also guide our legislative agenda and ensure that we're able to deliver on behalf of Kenyan people.